Okay, so if you're watching this video, this is going to be a quick walkthrough of a balcony room on the Carnival Legend, specifically room 6210. So walking in, here is the overall look of the room. It's nice sized, but immediately walking in to your left, you have your closet with some hangers. You have your life jackets. You have some floor space, which is where I'm storing my backpack right now. Right next to you have another closet with more hangers, more floor space, which is where the suitcase is. And then the third closet has the shelves. Next to the closet, you have your little vanity with the mirror and your little lights as you're getting ready. Plenty of space. As a vlogger, as a electronics guy, I always look for outlets and USB ports. This one has a 110 outlet and a European plug, a 220 volt, and nothing over there. So continuing on, so you got the vanity, you got some drawers, you got your little hair dryer. Just basic drawers. You got a little chair to sit and use while you're getting ready. You have a fridge. Welcome to your mini bar, it says. So nothing in there. I don't have shelves or anything. I don't know if they're all like that or if this one's just missing them. All right, and once again, it's a fridge. This is something they always make note of. It's a fridge that's cool, not cold, so you wouldn't want to store medicine or anything in it if it needs to be kept cold. 43 to 59 degrees, so it makes it chilly, not like super cold. All right, don't mind the water. I pre-ordered these. You also get 2 bottles of water. If you want to drink them, it's $4.75. You have your safe. You have a little TV. And then you have another mirror. Hey, that's me. All right. On the other side of the room, you have a couch with a little table. You have your Carnival towels. If you don't take these because you'll be charged. So if you use them, exchange them. You got a light if you want to sit there and maybe do some reading. And then you have a little cubby hole, little table next to your bed. This one has a USB-C and a USB cable. Or a USB-C and a USB port. You got your bed that can be separated to make 2 twins or push them together and it makes a king or queen. I don't know what size exactly this is. Then on the other side, you have another cubby hole, and then you have another USB-C and a USB port for charging stuff. And then, of course, this is a balcony deck, as I said. You have your balcony. Oh, I locked it. Don't want anybody coming in. Decent sized balcony, 2 chairs and a table. Nothing fancy. And if you weren't aware of it, no smoking. If you get caught smoking, it's a $500 fine. And you always want to keep these doors closed so your AC works. Now, as we go back, oh, I missed these. So a couple more shelves here underneath the second mirror. Those are right there. And then here's your AC unit. I don't know what the button does, but typical AC unit. And then here is the bathroom. Typical Carnival bathroom. If you're curious, they have a shower gel dispenser and a shampoo dispenser. You got a shower curtain. And then you have some shelves to store your toiletries on both sides. So one of the things I always do like get my must-have on the cruises. And this ship, it's especially important in my opinion because there's not a whole lot of 110 outlets or USB ports. Each side of the bed has one on the lamp, but I like to bring a little charging block. It's an Anchor charging block. I think this one costed $30, and I'll put the link down below. But this one has like 3 USB and 3 USB-C ports, and I can even charge my MacBook with the 30-watt port right there. So this is super convenient because I have a Apple Watch, I have an iPhone, I have this camera, I have, you know, if I need to charge my GoPro if I'm going snorkeling, I have my MacBook, and I have like a regular camera too. So if you counted those, that's 6 different devices, and I can charge it off of just one USB or a 110 outlet. So this thing is super handy. It works on all the cruise lines. I want to show you guys a couple more cruise essentials that I always take, and one of them is a fan. Some rooms get super hot, and it seems like it always happens like at nighttime. Like no matter how cool the room is during the day, how well the AC works, at night when you're sleeping, I feel like it always gets a little warm in here. So I bought like a little, it's like a $10 fan. It's not much, but it's nice. It's USB-C and USB rechargeable. And it's just super convenient to have. And it just moves the air around a little bit, so it cools you off. And I'll leave the link down below for this too. And coupled with that is I buy these little magnets, like these little hook magnets. And most cruise rooms have magnetic walls, and so they just stick to the walls. And it gives you a little bit more. It gives you some places to hang stuff. Like I use these, like I hang my hats there. I hang my like backpacks on these. They can hold a pretty good amount of weight. And then if you really want, you know, it actually can hold, you can put a couple of them together, it can hold your fan. So if you want to hold it, you know, over your bed to cool you off, you could do that too. Those are my cruise essentials I always bring. And that wraps up my quick tour of a balcony room on the Carnival Legend. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. And don't forget to subscribe, because every cruise I go on, I do a room tour, a ship tour, and then a day-by-day vlog, so you kind of know what happens each day. If you made it this far, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. And until next time, have a great day. Bye.